Good morning, it's me, Garbiñe. Hello, today we are going to sing the song and we are going to review the sound. Are you ready? First of all, we are going to write the letter. Okay, are you ready? So we are going to write the This is a capital letter, okay? It's big, okay? And look, this is the lowercase letter. Today we are going to sing the song. Sound. It's a new sound, and for this reason, we are going to sing it together. Are you ready? Yes? Here we go. Ready, steady, go. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Can you find something with the sound at home? Yes, is it possible? Yes, very good. Let's check some parts of my body. This is my nose. 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 Let's repeat with me. Nose. Nose. Very good. This is my neck. 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 Very good. These are my nails. Nails. Look, my nails. What? Your nails. Very good. Now, let's sing this song with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. Number 9. Look, this is number 9. Very good. Number 9. Amazing. Good job. And the last word with sound is nuts. Nuts. I've got 4 nuts. Let's count together. 1 nut, 2 nuts, 3 nuts, and 4 nuts. Very good. Nuts. And now we are going to sing the goodbye song. See you later, alligator. Bye bye, butterflies. Goodbye.